Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you a B.Tech fresher or M.Tech graduate looking for an incredible opportunity to gain hands-on industry experience and possibly land a full-time job? Well, you are in luck. Today I am bringing you an amazing internship program from none other than the Volvo Group India, the Spark Internship Program. So, if you are passionate about cutting edge technologies, automation, AI, mechanical engineering, or data science, and stay tuned because this 9-month paid internship would be your golden ticket to working with a global leader in transportation and technology solutions. So, make sure to watch the video till the end because I will be sharing how to apply eligibility details and some important tips to boost your chances of getting selected. Also, if you need help with resume building or have any doubts, feel free to connect with me. Like and share and subscribe for the latest job updates and tech career insights. Now let's get started. So let's come to the internship program, which is Spark Intern Program by Volvo Group. So let's come to the about this group. So this is going to be a Bangalore location with 9 months duration, and as it is told that this Volvo Group India has launched a Spark Intern Program, which is a 9-month internship program designed to bridge the gap between academics industry by providing real world hands-on experience to young talents. Now let's come to the eligibility criteria for this particular role. So as you can see, they have mentioned that they are seeking some B.Tech and M.Tech research with a specialization in this particular, domains. So if you are from computer science or mechanical or mechatronics, electrical engineering, robotics, any of these, then you are eligible for this particular role. Now let's understand why this internship is special. So you get industry relevant training on next generation technologies. Along with that, you will get mentorship from Volvo professionals and exposure to real world projects, along with opportunity for full time employment upon completion. So let's understand the program highlights that they have mentioned. So as they have mentioned, you will be getting hands-on training, working on lead projects in high-tech corporate environment. Along with that, you will be getting mentorships from the leaders in the same profile and diverse and inclusive culture environment where you that promotes growth, learning, and equal opportunity for everyone. Along with that, you will get a potential job opportunity upon completion of this internship program. So, why you should apply for this particular role? So, if you are a fresher graduate looking for to start your career in a globally recognized organization, then this is for you. If you have a passion for innovation, sustainability, and automation, then don't miss the chance. Volvo has encouraged physically challenged individuals to apply and be a part of an inclusive and empowering workplace. So that's all about the Volvo Spark Internship Program. This is a fantastic opportunity for freshers to gain real-world experience, work on cutting-edge projects, and even secure a full-time job with a global leader like Volvo. So, and I would suggest if you are this from 24 pass out or even 25 and 23 pass outs can try if they don't have any work experience. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more job updates and career guidance. If you need any help with your resume or any other doubts regarding internship, feel free to connect with me. I'm happy to help you to land your dream job. Drop a comment if you are applying, and let's build a strong tech community together. Join our WhatsApp group, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more career updates. Stay tuned for more amazing opportunity. That's it for today. See you in the next video.